In this lesson, we're going to learn the difference between a named instance and a default instance. You only have one default instance on a given server because it's the default instance, and you can have many named instances. All right, so let's first disconnect this to make it less confusing. So here we have our default instance. It is the name of the server, the name of the laptop in this scenario here. And this is how it usually is. So what is a named instance? Anything after this, right? You get one default instance, and then you can have many named instances. So let's see if we can find a named instance. And there we go. There is one. So now we have a named instance. And you can see I've called it SQL 2K8. Why? Because it's a SQL Server 2008 instance. Right? It's a different version than this version. Here it says 10.0, 1600. Up here we have 12.0, 2269. Right? This is a named instance. Now let's go light up. Let's see if I have it. All right, there we go. So during the installation, we define the name of our instance. So let's get to that point and do that. All right, here we go. So we have our instance name. Right here is the instance name, the ID, the features that are installed, and the edition. So I have a standard and two express editions installed on this instance. And this is part of the installation screen where we define our instance name. So we can't use default instance because we already have one. Right? So we have to give it a name. And that name can be anything you want. So default named. Two different kinds of instances. Right? You only get one default, and you could have many named instances, and the named instances are defined by a backslash.